As you approach retirement, things like Social Security claiming strategies and Medicare supplement becomes more of a household name. And these things can be very confusing. And if you're not proactive and you're not intentional, then you could get caught in what we call a tax torpedo. And what that means is if your income is high enough, your Medicare premiums could significantly increase, double, triple, and also Social Security could be taxed at a higher rate if you're not careful. So Social Security, you can take that as early as age 62. You can defer it all the way to age 70. There are things like the provisional income formula, the earnings test that are also a factor in there. But let's say you're fully retired at age 66 and you start your Social Security income and you are also on Medicare since that's age 65. If you have other income sources outside of Social Security, that means that could be IRA distributions or part-time income. If you cross what we would call the IRMAA thresholds, that means your Medicare premium could double. And you want to manage that. So you can manage that by dialing in how much income you really need, by taking it out of certain accounts. Maybe you take some out of a non-IRA account or a Roth IRA to stay under those income limits. And Social Security, there's a lot of claiming strategies, especially for clients that are married, that you can not only get more benefits, but also avoid paying too much tax on the Social Security income. Yes, Social Security income is taxable, not all of it. It could be as low as 0, as high as 85% taxable. And there's a lot of, again, interesting things to look at. And ultimately, you have to make sure that you're building a plan that gives you the income that you need from the right sources, but also avoids any of those traps around Medicare and Social Security. So that's something that we do in our initial phase where we're building out different scenarios regarding Social Security claiming, and we work closely with firms that specialize in Medicare planning as well. And we think that those things together, you just don't want to mail those decisions in. You want to make sure that you're being diligent and being careful and doing what's right for you and your family. If you want to take a closer look at your Social Security and Medicare strategies, click the link below, schedule a time. Be happy to go over that and look how those strategies are in the context of your overall plan. See you next time. Thank you.